If you are getting into AI, machine learning, or deep learning, you have probably heard about PyTorch. But is it still the best deep learning framework in 2026? Let's find it out. What is PyTorch? PyTorch is an open source deep learning framework developed by Meta. It is widely used for building and training AI models, including image recognition, natural language processing, computer vision, and generative AI applications. It's popular among researchers, students, and companies because it's flexible, easy to learn, and supports Python. Key features. Here are some of PyTorch's biggest strengths. Dynamic computation graphs, making debugging and experimentation much easier. Excellent GPU acceleration for faster model training. A massive ecosystem with libraries like Torch Vision, Torch Audio, and Torch Text. Strong support for modern AI technologies, including large language models and diffusion models. Seamless integration with Hugging Face, Coda, and many popular AI tools. Pros. The biggest advantages of PyTorch are beginner-friendly API that's easy to understand, highly flexible for research and custom model development, huge community with excellent documentation and tutorials, widely adopted by universities, AI startups, and major tech companies. Frequent updates with support for the latest AI hardware and optimization techniques. Cons. It's not perfect though. Large projects can require more manual coding compared to some high level frameworks. Training very large models still requires powerful GPUs, which can be expensive. Deployment to production may need additional tools, although this has improved significantly over the years. Who should use PyTorch? PyTorch is a great choice for students learning deep learning, AI researchers, machine learning engineers, developers building custom AI applications, anyone working with generative AI, computer vision, or natural language processing. If your goal is flexibility and access to the latest AI techniques, PyTorch is one of the strongest options available. Final verdict. So, is PyTorch the best deep learning framework in 2026? For most developers and researchers, the answer is yes. Its ease of use, powerful features, and strong AI ecosystem make it one of the top choices for building modern AI applications. If you are serious about learning AI or developing deep learning models, PyTorch is definitely worth learning. If you found this review helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching and goodbye.